those certificates. You post yourself to go and buy them.
There are those, yes.
So that you can determine.
Perhaps you'll watch it and then you get an understanding of those.
No, but on the expose again itself, it's not true that it looked at how NSC is registered. There were allegations on camera by one of the guys that they had paid Ministry of Education people, and then after the thing aired, I think it was KAA. Either Airport Authority or Civil Aviation Authority. KCA. Yeah, they came out and said that they haven't accredited this college. You know, my question is, has somebody in government accredited it, and who is it? What is the system for accrediting colleges? Sometime, I think it was last year or the year before, the government had said it would publish a list of accredited colleges. This was reported. Where is that list? Media forgot about it. You know, so it should be easy if they've published it, put it on our website for people to go through and check and say these are the accredited colleges, who has accredited them, has Nairobi Aviation College been accredited, and who has accredited it. Kaimenyi, the CS, was on the show, was on the piece, was on Dennis Okari's piece, and he was laughing. You know, I found that atrocious. You know, it is the failures in his own ministry, and he doesn't take any responsibility for them. You know, and this is a pattern across the entire government. When I say that we need to be seeing this as holistic, the fact is our education system, and I'm sure we'll discuss the Form 1 entry thing, at every level is failing. The education we are giving our primary school students is rubbish. They can't pass. You know, and then we try and cover that up by essentially saying it doesn't matter whether or not you had high marks, you'll go to any place, you know. And then at the end we find that they're getting fake diplomas, you know, and stuff. Okay. The entire system has collapsed. We need to be looking as media at how do we resolve this. What are the legislative remedies that we need? What are administrative ones? What has actually gone wrong?